Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bokbok. I hope you know what our tagline is. If you don't know, then just think you are here for more talk, more fun and some random facts, unboxing and gameplays. So let's begin our video. Today I am going to unbox a budget mousepad from a brand named Esports. If you belong from a budget gaming community, then you must know this brand quite well. They are very famous for building quality products under budget. Let me blow your mind. It's a large size mousepad in which your mouse and keyboard will fit easily, and it's fall between control and speed type of mousepad, which means you can play PUBG and other FPS games with ease. I know what you all are waiting for. All of these features as well as the mousepad price tag of 700 rupees or approximately $10. In this box, it is made up of good quality nylon fiber and bottom made up of good grippy rubber for those remarkable headshots without sliding your mousepad from the table. Now, let's talk about the dimensions of this mousepad. This one is 70 cm from length, 30 cm from width and 3 mm of thickness. I almost forgot to say, it's a World of Warship edition mousepad, so you will get 1,000 rupees of redeem code with it for purchasing cool skin for your ship. Suppose accidentally you spill your tea, coffee or water on it while gaming, may your keyboard or mouse get damaged, but this one, it's waterproof. Many people facing a problem after years of use, mousepad cloth get peeled from bottom padding. In this scenario, these edges are stitched well so that issue don't be a headache to you. As you can see, the price listed here is 3,899 rupees, but you will get a one in Amazon for 700 rupees. So guys, let's start the unboxing. As you can see, this is a pretty big mousepad and the colors on that mousepad are also good in quality. Also, you will get that redeem code with it. Here is the final view of Esports MP340W gaming mousepad World of Warship edition. As you can see, stitching on this mousepad are pretty good, so say no to cloth peeling after years of rough use. The surface of the mousepad is not so smooth and not like those control type mousepad which hold your mouse like you feel you are moving a 1 kg of stone, and the bottom made up of good quality rubber. Let's do a handcam test of this mousepad. The mouse currently I am using is Logitech G302 Deadless Prime. As you can see, gliding, scratching and both side pitching are working perfectly. Just don't compare this mousepad with some 3K, 4K rupees mousepad. You are getting enough what you are paying for. At last, I must suggest you to buy this mousepad if you are under budget. Don't want to spend a huge amount of money on mousepad. Yeah, spend it in good gaming mouse from Corsair, Razer, Logitech or SteelSeries. So I hope you like my video. So please like, comment and subscribe to our channel Bokbok for more good content like this. It's me, Sukamal, signing off. See you in our next video. Thank you.